Hello, this is Sandhill Plant and thank you for your purchase. In this video we will go over assembly and maintenance procedures for your chipper. For this you will need side cutters, a 13mm spanner and a 17mm spanner. Firstly unwrap and cut the straps on the pallet. Once this is done, unscrew and remove the chute from the pallet, placing it somewhere safe. We recommend laying it down on some cardboard. Then, if your chipper has a removable tow bar, take out the two bolts on the chassis, slide the bar in place, replace and tighten the bolts. You can then remove the chipper from the pallet. At this stage, it is best to check the oil on the machine. This is done at the factory, but we always recommend checking the oil on delivery and before each use. Remember to wipe the dipstick to get an accurate reading. Now it is time to put on the chute. Firstly, remove the two bolts that are located opposite the hinge on the machine. Then place the pins on the chute into the hinges and close the chute. We recommend having two people for this, as larger machines will have heavier chutes. When bolting the chute to the machine, always use both included washers, the biggest at the back, and tighten the bolts firmly. You can then connect the safety bar. The red and yellow lead on the chute needs to be routed round to the machine and pushed into the corresponding connector on the body of the chipper. It will make a noticeable click. This is important to ensure safe operation of the machine. Before starting your chipper, it is important to check the chute is clear and to also rotate the chipper head to the direction of where you want the chip to go. Then check that your throttle is in its idle position as indicated by the tortoise and smaller bars under the throttle. You can then turn on the fuel supply and apply the choke as demonstrated. Remember to always check your fuel level and how clean the fuel is before starting your chipper to prevent unnecessary damage. You can then turn the key to on and then start position just like starting a car. The engine will turn over and then run. Once the engine has been running for 10 seconds, you can turn the choke off. When increasing the revs on the chipper, do so slowly, as this allows the clutch to come up to speed gradually. Not doing this can lead to the belt slipping and burning out, which are not covered by warranty and could damage your machine. Thank you again for your purchase. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us using the details on our website, www.sandhillplant.com.